The LV200 is capable of doing bioluminescence imaging at the microscopic level. It has a number of different objectives that are accessible, but it's a little involved. So for your experiments, I highly recommend purchasing the FD35 or FD35COL Petri dish. It's available from www.wpiinc.com. That's available on the manual as well. These dishes have an extra thin glass bottom, which allows you to use it with all objectives that are available for the LV200. You can use any other Petri dish, provided the diameter is smaller than 3 inches so that it fits inside the receptacle. Just be careful to choose the right objective which has a working distance capable of doing your experiment. You can also use microscope slides for tissue imaging, thin tissue slices. If the tissue is too thick and there's a lot of luminescent signal, then you'll find that your signal is drowned out with background. So it's better to go with a thin slice of about 100 microns or so. Again, go with a microscope slide that's less than 3 inches. If it is larger than 3 inches, then you can still fit it in, but the setup is a little more involved. You can set the ideal operating temperature for your biological sample with box number 4, but it's currently set to around between 37 and 42 degrees centigrade, which is the typical ideal temperature for biological experiments. So let's get started. So take your Petri dish. First step is to open up the LV200. So slowly open up the lid, push it all the way to the back, and then slowly let go. It's got an auto catch mechanism that allows the lid to stay open. There is a cover for the receptacle. Gently remove the cover and place it on the side or hang it over the side, but just be careful to remember to put it back in so you don't trap the wire. Take your Petri dish and set it down in the receptacle area over the microscope objective. So there's the microscope objective and you can set it down. Currently I'm using the 100X objective with that's oil immersive. There's also oil available. Use it wisely. Place it on the objective before doing your experiment, and do not forget to clean up at the end. So before closing, make sure to replace the cover and push up so that it unlocks, and gently close the cover of the LV200. And you can push down a little bit so that it catches.